How to fix cannot update region on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your TikTok. Make sure that you are doing it on your mobile device. And after that, open up your settings. You will be able to find it quite easily. Then after opening up your settings, click on this option of privacy. Under privacy, you would be able to find the option of location services. Simply select it. You can't see it right here right now because we are on a laptop right now, but you will be able to find it on mobile device. Simply open up location services, then select the option of never. After that, open up the settings right beside it, then select the option of permissions. Then select the option of location. Make sure that you select the option of don't allow. After that, you would be able to find the option of delete certain location data. Simply select it, then delete it. Now you need to open up the settings of your phone. After you open up the settings of your device, just simply click on region and select any particular region on your device where you want your TikTok region to be changed to. Then restart your phone, and after that your region on TikTok will be changed. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.